Welcome to Car Hub, where classic meets cool. Today, we're taking a trip back to 1967 to revisit a true American icon, the Chevrolet Bel-Air. This isn't just a car. It's a symbol of a time when chrome was king, V8s roared, and style came standard. The 1967 Bel-Air carried forward Chevy's legacy of big, bold design. With its clean lines, stacked headlights, wide grille, and the sharp body contours, this full-size beauty had serious presence. It was a bit more reserved than the flashy Impala, but it still turned heads in every neighborhood. Inside, the Bel-Air offered simplicity and space. Bench seats, chrome accents, and a classic steel dashboard defined the look. It wasn't loaded with luxury features, but that was the charm. Just you, the road, and the sound of a roaring engine. Speaking of engines, the Bel-Air came with a range of powertrains, from the solid 250 inline-six to small block and big block V8s, including the legendary 396 cubic inch engine. The 1967 Bel-Air had the muscle to back up its full-size frame. Paired with a 3-speed manual or optional Power Glide automatic, this car could cruise or burn rubber with ease. What made the Bel-Air special was its balance. It was affordable, reliable, and customizable. It was the car your dad drove to work, the one your uncle Drag raced on weekends, and the one sitting proudly at car shows today. In today's collector world, the 1967 Bel-Air might be overshadowed by its flashier siblings, but true enthusiasts know. This is a classic with heart and history. If you could own one of these legends, would you keep it stock or build a street machine? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching Car Hub. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more classic car stories and modern rides. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your passion rolling.